Hello, my furry shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope everyone's having a great day. Happy New Year. It's the first day of the year, and we are back shopping at HomeGoods. We recorded this on December 31st, and the store was definitely a lot more packed than I was expecting, but I could see why, because there's a lot of new arrivals here, and we're going to check them out. And with the first day of January, I normally take down all my holiday items, and I know the house sometimes seems a little bare. So these faux flowers are so gorgeous. So I like to kind of start bringing out my Valentine's Day items and decorate so the house is just not too bare. But if you're wanting to add more florals to your home and maybe you just don't have the time to take care of them, these faux flowers, not a bad price. Like the lavender, that was $20. I love the base of this one. This one is $17. It's a ceramic base. And when it comes to the faux flowers, just dust them maybe every other week. And they will look great for a very, very long time. I like the basket. I could have this on the wall. I like the green with a little bit of purple. That was really pretty. And this one is $17 as well. But there's so much to choose from. As soon as I walked into the store, I got overwhelmed, and that was a good thing. This one is $17. Oh, this wreath is really pretty. And that one is $35. So with Valentine's Day coming up next month, we're going to start to see a few items. Now, these faux wicker baskets, this is $30. These are perfect for the outdoors. You have a lining on the inside. I have priced these at other stores. They can get super, super expensive. So the prices that I'm seeing right now, great prices. These are going to sell down so fast. And I like the different ones. So this one right here, now this is a good size. That one is $50. It looks great. And I like that you can take the lining out as well. As you can see, this one is on a stand. That one is $40. Then we have some more over here. This is kind of like the green wicker baskets. And now this one has the lining is a little cracked on the top. Now, if you could get this one for a discount, that's not going to affect the use of it. Oh, we found some more over here. Oh, this is pretty. $17. Oh, these are gorgeous. And if you're planning on doing a little redecorating, sometimes with the new year, I always like to kind of change things around, have a little refresh. Now I'm loving this peacock. I would actually place this in front of my fireplace. It's $200, especially when it's not in use. But yeah, that is really pretty. You can place that anywhere you want to. I'm loving this flower arrangement with the gorgeous glass vase. However, I did lift it up. I looked around. I found that tag, but no price tag. And it's amazing how realistic those flowers are looking. Here's another one. Oh, this faux basket is on wheels. This is a really good size. How much is this one? And I have a few outdoor plants I would love to place these in. $50. See, I don't have one that I need. Like, this is pretty big, but this smaller one I could definitely use. Oh, I'm definitely going to pick this one up. That one is $30. When it comes to HomeGoods, of course, here's my basket so far. And I got the big basket, and that's why I don't like to get the big basket, because I could fill it up. But with the shopping baskets, I couldn't find any of my favorite smaller ones. But when it comes to HomeGoods, you could check it almost like every day. You're going to find new items because they're always restocking. Now, I love this plant. I have pets. This plant, the real one, is not pet friendly, but it looks so realistic. As I mentioned, just kind of dust them every other week. This one is $180. But they look so good. It's amazing. The last couple of years, the faux plants really have improved. So if you're looking for faux flowers, some faux greenery, you can see there's so many different ones. They have filled this up. This was recently just filled with holiday items. I really like this one here. This is really cute. Happy Valentine's Day. And that one is about $15. And that's a ceramic base. We have our glass bases. So different shapes, different sizes. And I like that, depending on where you're wanting to place them. We have our faux tulips. I really like the heart. That base is really cute. That was ceramic as well. And lots of greenery. So we have the topiary balls. And that was $13. It really depends on, where you want to place them. You can place them like maybe on a covered patio outside. We have the water fountain. Now this looks like it's solar powered, $25, and it changes colors. Oh, that's pretty. And then down here, oh, I like these. They're a shape of hearts, so 2 smaller wreaths. Those are $20, so it makes each one $10 each. Here's another one, the faux hydrangeas. That was $25 in a ceramic base. So there's so many options. Now, I really got overwhelmed. Look how many wreaths they have. I mean, how do you pick? If you just wanted one, I would be here for over an hour just in this area alone trying to find that perfect one. So the prices range from $35 to $50. But if you're looking for one more with greenery, maybe with a little bit of lavender or for flowers, there's so many options. And if you're looking for the hearts, now these are really extra special because this one, they're made of wood. So the wood hearts, that was $20. So I definitely would recommend not to have this like in direct weather. Like if rain could get onto it, you definitely want to protect that one. It's so pretty though. And then if you're looking for some ceramic pots, as you can see, there are so many different shapes and sizes. And they're just getting these out. Like on the other side, they didn't have too many out. It was very bare. But next week, we're going to see so much more. So this is a good example. This one is $30. And then our wicker baskets. Now, I did purchase a couple of these about 3 months ago. They had these in a different part of the store. And these work great. I had a little area with these cubby spaces, and those filled those spaces perfectly. So yeah, those are really nice. And sometimes with HomeGoods, you kind of have to keep like shopping around. More of the faux flowers. So the bases could be metal, ceramic, or glass. And then even more of the greenery. I honestly think this is the most I have seen here at HomeGoods. So if you're wanting plants and some flowers, but you don't have the time to take care of them, definitely check these out before they get picked over. But yeah, those are really pretty. And sometimes they are a little bit on the pricier side, but honestly, like the prices here at HomeGoods, a lot less than some of the other stores I have seen. But yeah, these are gorgeous. Now, the macarons, my daughter always loves looking for these here at HomeGoods, and we couldn't find them for the last couple of months. It looks like they're back. $5 a package, all different flavors. We have, like, I picked up the vanilla for her, champagne, tiramisu, salted caramel, raspberry, pistachio, and strawberry. And even for maybe coffee or hot cocoa or tea, we have our Valentine's Day cups to go, and even our napkins as well. That was about $4. And the cups that we just saw, those are $5 each still. But these are all so pretty. We have the paper plates. That one is $4. And if you are looking for like Valentine's Day decor, this little area, they had so many different pieces. And you could see just like all of the different items for Valentine's Day. So depending on, what you were looking for, maybe you have a collection, maybe you have a little space to fill, definitely check these out. We have the avocados right here. How much are these? Nope, no price right there. Those are $15. I even see a nutcracker in the back. And then if you have a gingerbread house, you're putting that away and you want to fill the space, we have a Valentine's Day house for $10. Here's another nutcracker. That one is $15. And of course we have some characters. Lots of fun little ceramic items. And wow, there's quite a variety here. Even Hello Kitty and another kitty. We have the bear. If you're needing maybe a Valentine's Day card or cards, definitely check these out before they get picked over. And then we have the balloon garland. Oh, that's adorable. That one is $10. And the cards, like for example, this one, $4 each. And that was actually a puzzle inside. And then the pillows. Oh, how much is this one? This was super soft, $20. And then of course our throws. I have 2 Valentine's Day throws. But every year I always have to remind myself, I'm good. I don't need any more throws. This one is $30, but very pretty. I like the roses. We have our swans. That one is $25. Oh, these are just so adorable. And I like the different textures. Some are fuzzy, some are a little smooth. This one is $30. And when it comes to candles and candle holders, you know HomeGoods has so many candle options, and that part could get overwhelming. So I like these hearts though. We have silver and gold. The metal heart candle holders for taper candles, that one is $20. And then over here, we have, of course, some in a glass container. Oh, now this one sounds really good. Cherry vanilla. And it smells really good too. That one is about $13. Really pretty. And more over here. And then we have, oh, some of the garland. So more decorating items for Valentine's Day. I like the bows. That one is $13. And we have a couple of options. So definitely no shortage of Valentine's Day decor. We have the 3, or actually there's 4 conversation hearts. That is $40. And then we have the signs right here, like a kissing booth. That one is $40 as well. More throws. Oh, even Sesame Street. That one actually has a pillow attached to it. So there's no shortage of Valentine's Day throws or the pillows. I don't think I have any Valentine's Day pillows. I actually just use like red pillows. This one's really pretty. It has like a velvet texture with the embroidery. The heart with the gold trim. Oh, that was really pretty. That was $30. And it looks like you could remove it if you're needing to maybe clean the pillowcase. I always like it when you can remove the pillowcases. And then for kitchen towels, there are so many. And they're about a set of 3 for $13. A great selection. And this is just one of them. There's actually 3 different areas. Now, if you're needing a dish drying mat, this is a set of 2 for $10. Oh, that is cute. Sometimes I will like to kind of switch mine out. Like I really like this one with the blue and then with the red hearts. And that one was $10 as well. We found our little tea area. This teacup and saucer. That is super pretty. I don't need any, but I do like looking at them. That one is $10. Now, I actually do have this one. I bought it a couple of years ago. Oh, it's $13. I think I paid about like $8 or $9 at the time, because sometimes those, they can get a little bit on the pricier side. But as I mentioned with HomeGoods, you're going to pay a little bit less if you're needing a water kettle. That was about $20. And there's a lot here. Now, I do need a couple of new tablecloths. And I need one for my round table and then for my big table. So this one would actually fit 60 by 104. Oh, that was really pretty. Now the question is, how do I pick one? Oh, that was really pretty too. And I like this one. Oh, I got some decisions to make. And that was about $17. I really like these spoons. But when it comes to like the small spoons, I like to have about 8 of them. And those are about, ooh, if I could hold on to it, $13. So those are definitely on the pricier side. So I'm going to put those back. But if you are needing some flatware, definitely check these out. They have some really good options. And then over here, more in the kitchen area, we found our mugs and glasses, all for Valentine's Day. As I was mentioning, the store is a little crowded, but this one's really pretty. And that was $15. It includes the glass straw and the topper. See, I kind of like this one. I like the size, $13. And that is great for on the go. Oh, that is really cute. And if you're needing some mugs, yes, there are quite a few. Actually, this is probably like the most I have ever seen here. Oh, that was cute. $7. Those are just so pretty. And then over here, we have more mugs. Just lots of fun little items to check out. $6. See, that was really cute. I think that would match the teacup we saw earlier. I think that's the same brand. Oh yeah, and here's the matching little forks. These are called cake forks. Oh, my daughter would love these. Those are $13 too. And then we found, of course, tea. We found Alice in Wonderland tea. We found Winnie the Pooh tea. These always make some fun gifts. So if you do have like any special occasions coming up, birthdays, yeah, definitely check out HomeGoods right now. There are so many new items, and we will definitely be back soon to check them out. There's just so much here. That's the exciting part. Oh, these teas look good too. Oh, chai, cardamom. Oh, I love cardamom. This is a spice tea. That one is about $4. Oh, I may have to pick up a couple of these. Ooh, this one is masala. It's another spice tea, and then we have a vanilla spice as well. So for $4, that's actually not bad. Oh, okay, let me step away. And I am loving these green glass lamps with the floral shade. I don't need any lamps, but wow. I like the size of it. It's $80. And definitely check out the lamps here at HomeGoods. They have so many unique ones. I mean, I love this one. I'm gonna walk away, but wow, that one is gorgeous. And there's two. That's a nice set. Well, everyone, I'm going to head on out. Thank you so much for coming along to HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.